Samsung Galaxy A55, the mid-range marvel. Are you on the hunt for a smartphone that packs a serious punch without breaking the bank? Look no further than the Samsung Galaxy A55. This impressive mid-range device delivers an eye-catching combination of style, performance, and value. Let's dive into what makes the Galaxy A55 a fantastic choice for tech-savvy individuals. Design and display, a visual delight. The Galaxy A55 boasts a sleek, modern design that exudes premium vibes. Its contoured edges and seamless finish make it a pleasure to hold, while its IP67 water and dust resistance rating provides peace of mind against accidental splashes and spills. At the forefront is a vibrant, expansive Super AMOLED display. Colors pop with incredible richness, and the high refresh rate ensures buttery-smooth scrolling and animations. Whether you're binge-watching shows or indulging in fast-paced mobile games, the A55's display delivers an immersive and enjoyable visual experience. Camera, capture stunning moments. With its versatile camera system, the Galaxy A55 brings out your inner photographer. The main rear camera packs an impressive high-resolution sensor, resulting in detailed, vibrant shots in various lighting conditions. Optical image stabilization, OIS, helps counteract shaky hands, ensuring crisp and clear photos and videos. Explore your creativity with the ultra-wide camera, perfect for capturing vast landscapes or squeezing your whole group into a single shot. The dedicated depth camera adds a beautiful, natural blur to your portraits, making your subjects stand out from the background. Performance, power and efficiency. The Galaxy A55 is powered by a snappy processor that easily handles everyday tasks, multitasking, and even demanding games. Apps launch quickly, transitions are smooth, and you'll experience minimal lag or stutter. This power is balanced with efficiency. The A55's large battery keeps you going throughout the day and beyond. Samsung's One UI software overlays Android with a clean, intuitive interface that's packed with customization options. Personalize your home screen, tweak settings to your liking, and enjoy a smooth, user-friendly smartphone experience. 5G connectivity, embrace the future. The Galaxy A55 future-proofs you with 5G connectivity. Get ready for lightning-fast download speeds, super low latency, and the ability to stream high-quality content on the go with minimal buffering. Experience the next generation of mobile connectivity as 5G networks roll out in your area. Packed with extras. The A55 doesn't skimp on the little things that make a big difference. Expandable storage via microSD card means you'll never run out of room for your photos, videos, and music. The in-display fingerprint sensor ensures quick, secure unlocking, and stereo speakers offer a more immersive audio experience. Is the Galaxy A55 the right fit for you? If you're looking for a phone that offers a stunning display, dependable performance, a versatile camera system, and long-lasting battery life, all without a flagship price tag, the Samsung Galaxy A55 deserves a spot at the top of your shortlist. It's a testament to Samsung's ability to deliver incredible value without sacrificing the features that matter most. For even more in-depth reviews and comparisons, be sure to check out the related videos in this playlist, or take a look at the recommended video in the description below.